when your computer running slowly. Watch this video to get point and enhance your computer performance. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's start. Right-click on Start menu and click Run. And then type Prefetch. When you type, hit Enter. Click Continue. And then press on your keyboard Ctrl+A to select all. And then right-click, then click Delete. Wait a little time to finish. Click Skip. When it finished, close the page. Right-click again by Start menu and click Run. And then type Temp when you type and hit Enter. Select these all by pressing Ctrl+A. When you select all, right-click on these and click Delete. Click Continue. Close the page. Right-click on Start menu and click Run. And then type %10% when you type, hit Enter. When you open this page, select all. And right-click, and then click Delete. Click Continue. Click Skip. When it finished, close the page and right-click on Recycle Bin. Click Empty Recycle Bin. Click Yes. And then click Continue. And it is finished. Open this PC. Right-click on C Disk and click Properties. And then click Disk Cleanup. Select these files. When you select, click Clean Up System Files. Wait a little time. When it finished, click OK. Click Delete Files. It will take some time. When it's finished, click on Tools. And then click Check. Click Scan Drive. It will take around 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And it is done. Just restart your computer, and your computer performance will enhance. And the second way is at Open Setting. Click Update and Security. And then click Check for Update. When update, finish, restart your computer, and it will run faster. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.